The future of Miami real estate is not what most people think, and honestly, most buyers still don't fully understand what's happening. The Miami condo market is going through one of the biggest transformations we've ever seen. Older buildings are facing massive assessments, higher insurance, reserve requirements, structural inspections, and financial pressure that many owners never expected. Meanwhile, newer buildings and pre-construction continue attracting capital, wealth migration, and demand from around the world. And the crazy part? I saw this shift years ago. That's one of the biggest reasons why I became so focused on pre-construction and eventually wrote my book, Miami's Pre-Construction Blueprint. And stay to the end of this video because I'm going to give you a free copy of the book so you can better understand the blueprint behind Miami's transformation. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Guillermo Teran. I'm a broker associate, founder of the pre-construction community, and I've been involved in South Florida real estate for over 30 years. And in this video, I want to explain why Miami is changing, why older condos are becoming increasingly difficult, why new construction is becoming more valuable, and why I believe Miami is literally rebuilding itself in real time. I still remember sitting in a presentation from the city of Miami after Surfside, and one gentleman during the presentation said something that stayed with me forever. He said, "I would never sell an older condo to a friend or family member because you're opening Pandora's box." That statement hit me hard because what he was really saying was, many older buildings had hidden financial risks that most buyers did not understand. And after the Surfside collapse, Florida changed the rules completely. Today, we now have mandatory milestone inspections, structural integrity reserve studies, mandatory reserve funding, and major transparency requirements for associations. And now we're seeing the consequences. Some owners are receiving $50,000, $100,000, even $300,000 plus as assessments. HOA fees are doubling in some buildings. Insurance costs are exploding. And buyers are beginning to realize that buying an older condo today is not as simple as looking at the kitchen and the view anymore. Now you have to analyze the reserves, the engineering reports, the financial health of the association, future repair exposure, and lending eligibility. The building itself became part of the due diligence. This is one of the biggest reasons why I became so focused on pre-construction. Not because it was trendy, not because everybody was doing it, but because I realized Miami was entering a completely different era. A newer building today gives buyers modern codes, modern engineering, stronger reserves, better insurance positioning, better amenities, better lifestyle design, and usually fewer unknowns. Pre-construction became more than just buying real estate. It became strategic positioning into Miami's future. And that's exactly why I wrote Miami's Pre-Construction Blueprint. The book was never just about buying condos. It was about understanding where Miami was going before everyone else fully saw it. Another thing people don't fully understand is Miami is geographically constrained. We have the ocean, Biscayne Bay, the Everglades, and limited buildable land. At the same time, we continue seeing wealth migration, international buyers, finance firms, tech companies, family offices, and global capital flowing into South Florida. Miami is no longer just a vacation city. It became a global financial hub, a luxury destination, a lifestyle capital, and one of the most desirable cities in the world. Demand continues growing, but land is limited, which means Miami has no choice but to continue evolving vertically. That's why I strongly believe a large part of Miami will continue rebuilding itself over the next 10 to 20 years. Some older buildings will improve and survive, but others may eventually become redevelopment opportunities because the land underneath them becomes more valuable than the buildings themselves. The Miami buyer of today is different. Today's buyer wants wellness amenities, modern technology, energy efficiency, luxury services, strong reserves, modern safety standards, and flexible lifestyle experiences. Many older buildings simply were not designed for the type of global demand Miami has today, and the cost to modernize some of these buildings is becoming enormous. That's why we're seeing this major split happening in the market. Older buildings with reserve issues and structural exposure are under pressure. Meanwhile, newer buildings and branded residences continue attracting stronger demand. This is not the collapse of Miami. This is the evolution of Miami. The future of Miami real estate is not what people think. Most people still think Miami is just another real estate cycle. I don't believe that. I believe Miami is going through a structural transformation. The laws changed, the codes changed, buyer expectations changed, insurance changed, reserve requirements changed, and the global perception of Miami changed. And that transformation is creating a completely new version of the city. That's why I remain so focused on pre-construction, new development, and understanding where Miami is heading before the majority sees it. Because in my opinion, real estate is not just about buying property. It's about positioning yourself correctly for the future. If you enjoyed this video and want a deeper understanding of Miami's transformation, I highly recommend downloading my free book, Miami's Pre-Construction Blueprint. The link is below. And if you're thinking about moving to Miami, investing in Miami, or simply trying to better understand where this market is heading, me and my team have helped hundreds of individuals and families successfully navigate Miami's real estate market and position themselves correctly for the future. Because Miami today is not just about buying property. It's about understanding the neighborhoods, the buildings, the risks, the opportunities, the lifestyle, and where the city is heading next. And that's exactly what we help people do every single day. So if you have questions about pre-construction, new developments, relocation, investment opportunities, or Miami real estate in general, feel free to reach out to me directly. My contact information is below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel because every week I continue breaking down Miami real estate, pre-construction, wealth migration, market trends, and the blueprint behind Miami's transformation. I'm Guillermo Teran, and I'll see you in the next video.